at Bellagio. We're on the 18th floor, room 18084. So as you walk in, to your right, you have the bathroom. It's a pretty big, spacious bathroom. Got your phone. A very big shower. It was very roomy. Con for us during this trip is that shower kind of clogged up a bit, and yeah, we're gonna try to see if we can get some resort fees waived because of that. It was kind of annoying than anything, more annoying than anything else. It did kind of gross me out. So anyway, spacious sink area, enough counter space for his and her stuff. I mean, it is only one sink, but that's all right. A vanity mirror, tub, towels. You got this big, huge mirror here. Check yourself before you leave. And then you come in, and then you've got these buttons here, drapery and sheer. So we have them open right now, but you can close the sheer. It's automatic, that's cool. Close the drape. There you go. So, but for now I'm gonna open them up so that we have enough light. And you've got some lighting switches. I guess those are the lights that operate the lights closer to the window, that table lamp. Some recessed lighting over there. And then we do have a light switch by the door that takes care of the little entranceway. All right, so it's a carpeted room. It's not black, so you could possibly see stains if there were any, but it looked decent. The bed was super comfortable. That was a plus, a major plus. You have outlet on your lamp, drawers. This bench helped out a lot. We just kind of like moved it out and stuck our suitcase on it. Because again, they have one of those luggage racks that has like a little lip, and yeah, it won't, our suitcase will just tip over. They do have a fridge, but it's fully stocked with their stuff, and it did come in with this sticker. They also had one of these stickers on the door outside before you came in, letting you know that your room has been cleaned. When I was disinfecting the room, I opened up the fridge and I noticed that, I don't know if there's something supposed to be there, but it looks like something's supposed to be there, like maybe another bottle of wine, but it's gone. So we're gonna have to, we took a picture and we're gonna have to let the front desk know, like, this is what we saw. I don't know if something's supposed to be there. Please don't charge us. But again, no fridge for your own personal stuff. You have a nice big size screen, TV, and then you've got all these like hookups like HDMI, VGA, USB charging, some more outlets. You have plenty of counter space there for other stuff. I filled it up with a bunch of my stuff. You have a closet with some mirrors. So even though you have that big mirror, and I usually, while Hog's in the bathroom getting ready, I'm out here doing my hair, and there's no outlets there. So I just use these, and I just use this mirror here to do my hair. Closet. They give you some robes, 2 robes. That's the luggage rack I was telling you about. That lip there just interferes with the big old suitcase. That's good for a bag like that, or bags like those. A desk, which is pretty cool. Hog put his laptop on there, did some of our YouTube work on there. And sitting area, we didn't utilize those at all. We usually use chairs that are in the rooms for bags and stuff. So yeah, again, same type of lamp, same outlet. Again, you can control the drapery from this side as you're going to bed. They have these reading lights. You can control either side of the bed. And the remote did come with like a little cardboard thing. It was like standing up over here. It said that the remote had been sanitized and clean. And then I almost forgot. The safe is in there. Didn't have any problems with that. And so yeah, that's basically the room we got here at Bellagio. I did not ask for a view of the fountains. I was so exhausted coming in and checking in. I just wanted to get check-in over with, and Hog lucked out. He didn't have to stare at the fountains all night. But we did get a pool view. And the conservatory, I can't even speak. It's early morning and I haven't had my coffee. And of course, freeway view and a little bit of mountain view. We were supposed to be staying at Vidara. I booked Vidara back in March. As everything was starting to go down. And I got the Vidara for like $43 the first night, $43 the second night, and then $50 something the third night. Well, Vidara's not open, so they transferred my reservation here to the Bellagio. And the lady upon check-in said, I have never seen those rates here at the Bellagio in all my years of working here. So apparently we got a good rate, and of course our resort fees are going to surpass the rate that we got the room for. But yeah, overall it was a comfy stay. And would we stay here again?
I was creeping.
He was creeping. He was pulling a creeper Nick.
It's not a big deal.
Yeah, I mean,
I have to like the casino and the area.
so yeah, I wouldn't pay full price, right, and stay here.
No.
It was comfortable, the bed was comfortable, but the shower situation really bugged me because I'm OCD, borderline hypochondriac, and here I am, the minute I see any tub or shower backing up, I'm already thinking Legionnaire's disease. You know what I mean? Like yeah, so I'm gonna have a talking with them. Does that make sense? A talking?
Talking.
Yes. Have a good talking.
Communicate.
Communicate. I'll be like, listen here, I almost got Legionnaire's disease because not really. But yeah, we'll see what we can do with that. But anyway, Bellagio, comfortable, not our type of place to stay at. We do prefer downtown. I mean, we're not opposed to staying on the Strip. I mean, trust me, these are nice resorts, but the ease of which you just go down to the casino and walk out into the action in downtown is very convenient. You know, there are a lot of things to do here on the Strip, of course. The Strip is awesome. You just have to make sure you built in the time for the commute, the walking, the getting around. So anyway, that is our room tour / review of the Bellagio. And I will get back to you. I'll put the name of the type of room down here because there is a name for this room.
The Bellagio.
The Bellagio.
The Bellagio.
The Bellagio.
The Bellagio.